Yo, welcome to the STEPPIX Footwork program. So we will see together how I create move the way I think to start from one variation to make it another new one, a new variation. So how to flip them. So let's do it together. So how I create new move, how I create variation. As I told you before, most part of time I use the basic, so I start from 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, whatever, and then I try to add some form, or I play with the speed, I play with the level, or both, I play with whole. And also I try to find some easy step, like from something that I already know, I try to flip it and to make it like maybe funny or dynamic or something like that. And I will show you one that I like. Because basically I used to do this move, I don't know when I started to do this one, but it was back in the days for sure. And I found that many people already use it, or now new generation get it. So I was like, okay, I have this move, but I'm not the only one to make it. So I have to flip and find a new one. So it's this move that I already showed you just before, this kind of variation. I like to do it, but I found that many people already did it or try to do it because they saw me or I don't know, whatever. Now I decide to change it. And for that, I used to do this. It's kind of funny, I call it the bunny pop because for me it's kind of bunny. I jump from this position and I go on my knee. And then I repeat the move like this, knee, knee, and knee, okay? I try to catch the music, I try to have the flow, and I will show you now in real speed how it is. So it starts from this variation, and as you see, I flip whole and it's totally different now. So you have to think, you have to find your own way, and you have to find your own variation. So now we're gonna try to move with the music. So it's gonna be about musicality. We're gonna just do some easy step on the music. Let's go. So now we're gonna start with the basic CCs and we're gonna try to make it on the music. Let's do it together. We can add also just the kick out, CCs, and mix and combine all on the music. So now we're gonna try to catch the music with one basic footwork and we're gonna try with the 6 step. Basically, it's not gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but more 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? So let's do it. Now just freestyle part. So freestyle part is freestyle part. I'm just gonna try to take all that, the move that we saw together. I'm gonna mix whole and let's do it. So the last episode of this Footwork STEPPIX program. Now I'm gonna talk with you about the motivation that we can find. Sometimes it's difficult, that I know, but we're gonna talk together. Enjoy this Footworks program. Now I'm gonna explain to you how I found the motivation and how I found this kind of variation. So I started breaking in 1997, so a long time ago, as you see. And at the beginning, I had, like many b-boys, I think, that's this feeling that I want to make and create some big moves. So I start with windmill, and then I start with flare, and was super dope. And at the same time, I realized that I was maybe very comfortable with footwork. So I try to find a way to go fast in footwork, because maybe at the beginning the people, when I saw the breaking for the first time, did footwork in the special way, like super fast. So I start to work on my balance, I start to work on my position of my body and all, and then I try to create my own way to make my footworks better. So, and this is what I want to share with you on this program. I start from basic move and I try to flip them with basic concepts. So it's basic plus basic equals something different. And of course, sometimes it's difficult to find, but the worst things to do is just to think about trying to find something. It's not the good way. I think it's just the best way is just to go to enjoy the music, try to use your basic to learn and to improve your basic move, and just add something inside, like slide, like CCs, like to grab your feet or something like that, to change the direction on and hold. And like this, you can maybe find a new concept and a new footwork. Also, there is kind of moment that you feel not comfortable with your body, or you feel like tired about all, and you start to feel that less motivation. So I think the best, this is my point of view at this time, is to do something different, like to enjoy with your friend, to go out, and just to let the motivation come back, you know. So try to see some different things, try to listen music, I don't know, whatever, something different that breaking. And it's just something that you don't have to feel guilty about. Don't go to the practice or something like that, because I know that's this feeling sometimes. But you can just enjoy, or even go to practice, but just sit there and help your friends and have this kind of new energy to go back to the practice with this new motivation. So it's normal in breaking career to have some kind of top moment and down moment, and you have just to find the balance between all and keep going. So that's it.